Did you know that seaweed contains up to 10 times more calcium than milk and is packed with essential vitamins and minerals? This ocean superfood is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and it's time to discover why it should be on your plate today. Seaweed might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of healthy eating, but it's quickly gaining recognition as a superfood with remarkable benefits. Often a staple in Asian cuisines, seaweed is now making waves in the health and wellness world for its unmatched nutritional profile and versatility in cooking. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of seaweed. You'll learn why this humble marine plant deserves a spot in your diet, how it can improve your health, and the easiest ways to start enjoying it today. Despite its incredible health benefits, seaweed is often overlooked in Western diets. Many people assume it's too exotic, difficult to prepare, or that it has a strong taste they won't enjoy. These misconceptions prevent many from reaping the rewards of this nutrient-packed food. Another common challenge is understanding the variety of seaweed available and how to use it. With types like nori, wakame, kelp, and dulse, it can feel overwhelming for those unfamiliar with these ingredients. Finally, there's the myth that seaweed is only for sushi. While it's true that nori wraps are a popular way to enjoy seaweed, this versatile ingredient can be incorporated into countless recipes, from soups and salads to smoothies and snacks. Let's start with the types of seaweed and their health benefits. Nori is one of the most recognizable types of seaweed, often used in sushi rolls. It's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and iodine, which supports thyroid health and metabolism. Wakame is commonly found in miso soup and offers high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart and brain health. It's also a great source of calcium and magnesium, making it ideal for bone health. Kelp is a type of brown seaweed that's often dried into flakes or powders. It's packed with iodine, potassium, and antioxidants, and it's a natural way to enhance the flavor of your dishes. Dulse is another variety of red seaweed known for its smoky, savory flavor. It's a rich source of protein, fiber, and iron, making it a fantastic addition to plant-based diets. Health benefits of seaweed go beyond just vitamins and minerals. Its high fiber content aids digestion, while the antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Seaweed also contains fucoidan, a compound linked to improved immune function and reduced inflammation. Incorporating seaweed into your meals is easier than you might think. Sprinkle kelp flakes on your salads or soups for an umami flavor boost. Add wakame to broths or ramen for added texture and nutrients. Blend dulse into smoothies for a nutrient-packed breakfast. And of course, nori sheets make for a quick, healthy snack or wrap alternative. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed that regular seaweed consumption can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a promising addition for those managing diabetes. Even more compelling, there are stories of individuals transforming their health by adding seaweed to their diets. For example, a woman struggling with low energy levels and poor digestion reported significant improvements after incorporating wakame and kelp into her weekly meals. These personal accounts highlight just how impactful seaweed can be when included in a balanced diet. Additionally, seaweed is a sustainable food source. As a fast-growing plant that doesn't require freshwater or fertilizer, it's an environmentally friendly way to meet nutritional needs while supporting ocean ecosystems. To recap, seaweed is an incredibly nutrient-dense food with benefits ranging from improved digestion and immune function to better thyroid health and reduced inflammation. With its variety of flavors and forms, it's versatile enough to fit into almost any diet. By adding seaweed to your meals, you're not only enhancing your health but also supporting sustainable food practices. Whether you're new to seaweed or looking to try it in new ways, it's an easy and impactful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Have you tried seaweed in your diet? Share your favorite recipes and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other content for more tips on healthy eating and sustainable living. Start your seaweed journey today and see the difference it can make.